From the left, at 400 miles per hour, all 6 aircraft are approaching for the maneuvering delta. As they pass over center point, you should get another good look at the delta set used by the 5 wingmen. Of our maneuvers, as well as an in-depth look at our team and individual biographies, we invite you to visit our website and follow us on social media, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. In front of the Delta is making its approach to Lakeland. Approaching center point, the entire formation will separate in dramatic fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout! United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron represents a time-honored tradition of pride, professionalism, and excellence spanning 112 years in naval aviation. The 2023 team takes a great deal of pride in saluting Navy and Marine Corps aviators, maintenance crews, and support personnel everywhere. From the left, your 2023 Blue Angels. placed upon naval aviators is that they be able to land their aircraft on a ship at sea. Whether it be a tactical jet, propeller-driven aircraft, or helicopter, each requires skill which the naval aviator must master. In order to perfect this skill, Navy and Marine Corps pilots spend a great deal of time in the landing pad practicing carrier approaches. In front of you now, Commander Armitage and his wingmen are demonstrating a simulated carrier pattern. Approaching the runway from the left, Commander Armitage is confirming the landing checks have been completed and that each aircraft is in fact ready to land. Rolling out on final, they'll make constant power and line of corrections, maintaining the optimum rate of descent for the proper touchdown point. The demonstration pilots you've been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angel team. The men and women in the blue uniforms standing before you are members of the elite Blue Angel maintenance group. Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each year for the past 77 years provided us with the aircraft availability necessary to perform each of these flight demonstrations. As the aircraft taxi back, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to the Blue Angel maintenance group. And Master Chief Air Angel Maintenance Chief Hector Miramontes, particularly Maintenance Chiefs
Not okay.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Crew Coordinator Tanner Bales from Meredith, New Hampshire. Crew Chief Number 1, Cheyenne Rhodes from Rochester, New York. First Mech Paint Shop, Sheldon Parker from Redford, Michigan. Crew Chief Number 2, Alex Gutierrez from San Antonio,
Awesome
Texas.
demonstration.
First Mech Life Support,
Beautiful
AJ
day,
Acosta
beautiful
from San
flying
Angelo,
skills.
Texas. Crew Chief Number
Top
3,
notch.
Joseph Knopfsinger from Everdale, Texas. First Mech Life Support, Brandon Gatewood from Kingsland, Georgia. Crew
There's
Chief
Fat
Number 4,
Albert.
Wade Hyatt from Morgantown, North Carolina. First
That's
Mech
the
Air
C-130
Force
the
Farrell
Blue
from
Angels
Long Island,
use
New
to
York.
pick up all the
Crew
stuff
Chief
and
Number
carry
5,
away
Andres
from them.
Wilhelm from Medellin, Colombia. First Mech Power Plants, John Russell from Montgomery, Alabama. Crew Chief Number 6, Rachel
Hope
Lumpkin
you
from
enjoy.
Detroit, Michigan.
It was a
First Mech
beautiful
Power
day.
Plants,
I certainly
Bradley
did
Jordan
enjoy
from
it.
Jacksonville, Florida. Crew Chief Number
Take
7,
care.
Kevin Tuzon from San Diego, California. Runway
Frecto
Truck
Life.
Crew, Kathleen
Out.
Henry from Moline, Illinois.